Hello, welcome to Techie Store. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google form, how to fill it, and also how to customize it. Type Google form here, search for it. Then you come here, click on this Google form. And we have a lot of template here. We have contact information, event registration, RSVP. We have Activate and T-shirt. So many other ones. Let's use the blank template. Come to this place. And in this place, what I want to do, since I want to create form, let me call it computer training registration form. Then I'll come to this place and put the first thing I want to ask is name. Put name, and I'll click on this plus sign in circle to add more question. I'll put email, then also it's automatically recognized as a short form. I'll click the next. I want the student to put the address. Now, one thing I want you to understand is that I want to include require. If I come to this place, if I don't make this place require, anybody filling the form can decide not to put the name, his or her name, and the form will be accepted. But once I click on this require, the person filling the form must put his or her name before the form can be submitted. So the places that are necessary, or I want the information I want from the student, I'll make it require. Also make this one require too. Click on require. Then the address also. The address, I'm putting it on paragraph because you may need to type more than one line. Depends on how long is your address. And the next information I need is phone number. And short also make it require. I want to add also. Then let's ask for gender. In this gender, we'll leave it on a multiple choice. The first option will be, let's use male as the first option. The second will be female. I want to skip the date of birth intentionally so that I'll come back to it later and tell you why I skip it. Then let's look at the age. And this age I want to use okay, let me use multiple option also. Then in this age, I want to let the age range from 10 to 20 years, 21 to 30 years, thereabout. Okay, the first range is 10 to 20. The next one, I'll just leave it above 50. Then add another question. I want to know the country, and the next will be state. So leave it a short answer. The next one will be the city and town. Let's add city and town to city. And the language, I'm adding this language detection now to show you something. In this language, I want to use checkbox grid. And first language I want to use, let's put English. Let's add German. Let's add French. Let's add Turkish. Let's add Spanish. Yeah. In this color section, let's say can read, write, speak, and understand. Now let me review this place to show you what the reason why I choose this checkbox grid. Now, if you want to answer English, for instance, for English, if you can read English, you check this. If you can write English, you check this. If you can speak it, you understand it. French, just come here, click understand. If you can write Spanish, you can put it here, just speak. When you are done, you just done previewing, click on this place to continue your form. Let's add the occupation. Let's add occupation. Leave it on then short answer, and also okay, next one after the occupation is let's add your educational qualification, your qualifications. For qualification, then I'm going to use this very one. I'm going to use multiple choice grid for a reason. I have used this, I have not used this. Let's use this one. Then output, let's use primary school. Put years there, come to this place, I put no. Then I'll come to in this place I'll use checkbox grid. I'll come to this place, let's put first course, let's put graphics design, let's put data analysis, let's put digital marketing, okay. Let's put for the graphic design, let's put CorelDRAW, and let's put Adobe Illustrator, let's put Photoshop, let's also add Canva, and let's also add Visual Art. Then for the data analysis, let's put Excel, then SPSS, Arrow, let's also add Python, let's add Tableau, Power BI. And for digital marketing, let's add Facebook ad. Let's put SEO, and then click on yes. I want the student to put their passports. I'll come to this place and choose upload file, and click continue. Then I want the passport maximum number of passports to be 1. I can change if I want 5, if I want 10 I can put it, but just one passport. Then allow a specific type, I will say yes. Then when I say yes, it will bring me here. I want image. If I want the passport to be in PDF format, I'll click PDF. If I want screenshot, I want image. Then maximum size, I just leave it 10 MB. Then click on next. I also want it to be required, this passport. Also, this qualification, I want it to also require. It's necessary, that's what I mean by. Let's move to the next one. The next one I want to add is document. Then under the document, I'll come to this place, upload, file upload. Allow specific file type. I want the document to be in PDF. Then maximum number, I want to make it 10. Then maximum file, let's leave it at 100 MB. And also require. Then I'm done. So what next is that I'll come to review. I want to see my form. Come to this place, and you can see. So this is how the form look like. The next thing is to customize my form. Click on this place to go back to your form. Then I want to customize my form. This is how I'll customize my form. Click on this icon here. Click um, I'll come to this place. I want to change this particular writer. I'll come to this place, change it to, see it has changed from Roboto to Impact. Then I want to change the color. I can use this color. See, the color has changed. So let's leave it here for now. And the next thing I will do is to choose image. Then we have image here. You can use from any of these ones here. But I want to upload my image from my system. Come to this place, click on browse. Then I click on this image. It's my YouTube channel image. Then to open here, then I can adjust it. I can decide to reduce it or increase it. Click on done. Then to appear here. Then I can decide to change this color. I change it. Let me use this red CC blend with this one. Then you can choose any color, but I'm using this color because it blends with my YouTube. I can use this also. I think this one is better because of this red here. Then close this place. Then when I'm done, okay, I said I left the date of birth for a reason. Now let's assume I want to put something between this gender and age. How do I do it? I click on this gender, and I click on this plus sign, and to be in between the gender and the age. If I want to delete any input I don't want, I just click on this delete and it's gone. So let's put the date of birth here under this gender. Then you come to this place, you put date of birth, DOB, and this place automatically change it to date for you. If you check this place, you'll see it, date. Yes, and I want to make it require or make it require. Let's also make this gender compulsory and select it. Let's preview our form. Cool. Let's preview our form. This is how our form will look like. Yeah, good. This is how our form will look like when we send it to the student to fill. How it will look like. This is how it will look like. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's send this form. You can click here directly and send it through email. You can send it through email. But let's copy the link. Click on this place. Come to get pre-link, get pre-fill link. Click on it. To preview the form, scroll down, pre-fill link. Click on it. To preview the form, scroll down and see whatever you want to see it. Then you click on this get link. Copy. Your link has been copied. Okay, let's send this link. Okay, this is a link. And paste it here. And let me send the link. The link has been sent. And from here, you can click on it. It will take me directly to the form. Okay. You can see this is the link. This is the form, rather. This is the form. You can start filling the form from here.